11 health benefits of broccoli. Hello friends! Before you start watching our video, don't forget to subscribe to us and press the bell icon beside the subscription button to get notified every time on YouTube. Broccoli is known to be a hearty and tasty vegetable which is rich in dozens of nutrients. It is said to pack the most nutritional punch of any vegetable. When we think about green vegetables to include in our diet, broccoli is one of the foremost veggies to come to our mind. Coming from the cabbage family, broccoli can be categorized as an edible green plant. Let's see some of the benefits of broccoli. Heart health. The anti-inflammatory properties of sulforaphane, one of the isothiocyanates, ITCs, in broccoli may be able to prevent or even reverse some of the damage to blood vessels linings that can be caused by inflammation due to chronic blood sugar problems. Broccoli is great for heart health as it contains fibers, fatty acids, and vitamins that help regulating blood pressure in the body. This also helps in reducing bad cholesterol, hence leading to a healthy heart. Broccoli helps protecting blood vessels from damaging as well. Cholesterol reduction. Like many whole foods, broccoli is packed with soluble fiber that draws cholesterol out of your body. This is because the fiber in broccoli helps bind with bile acids in the digestive tract. This makes excreting cholesterol out of your body easy. According to a research by the Institute of Food Research, a particular variety of broccoli can help reduce the blood LDL cholesterol levels by 6%. Powerful antioxidant. Broccoli contains antioxidants that help the body in a variety of ways. Broccoli is deeply concentrated with vitamin C, making it great for immunity. Other than this, broccoli also contains flavonoids which help recycle the vitamin C efficiently. It is also enriched with carotenoid lutein, zeaxanthin, beta-carotene, and other power-packed antioxidants. Cancer prevention. Broccoli shares cancer-fighting and immune-boosting properties with other cruciferous vegetables such as cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. Broccoli contains properties that deplete estrogens which usually cause cancer in the body. Research shows that broccoli is extremely suitable for preventing breast and uterus cancer. Bone health. Broccoli contains high levels of both calcium and vitamin K, both of which are important for bone health and prevention of osteoporosis. Along with calcium, broccoli is also full of other nutrients like magnesium, zinc, and phosphorus. Because of these properties, broccoli is extremely suitable for children, elderly, and lactating mothers. Diet aid. Broccoli is a good carb and is high in fiber, which aids in digestion, prevents constipation, maintains low blood sugar, and curbs overeating. Along with this, broccoli is also great for weight loss because it is rich in fiber. It is an ideal green vegetable to include in your salads and completing your 5-colored vegetables every day. In addition to this, broccoli also contains proteins, making it suitable for vegetarians that are otherwise not able to complete their protein requirement. Reducing allergic reaction and inflammation. Research has shown the ability of camphorol to lessen the impact of allergy-related substances on our body. Broccoli even has significant amounts of omega-3 fatty acids, which are well known as anti-inflammatory. Along with this, broccoli can also help people suffering from arthritis as broccoli contains sulforaphane, a chemical that blocks the enzymes that can cause joint destruction and hence lead to inflammation. Skincare. Skincare not only includes glow, but also its immunity. Since broccoli is a powerhouse of antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin C and minerals such as copper and zinc, broccoli helps in maintaining a healthy skin. This means it also protects the skin from getting infections as well as keep the natural glow of your skin. Broccoli is full of vitamin K, amino acids, and folates, making it ideal for maintaining healthy skin immunity. Great for detoxification. Since broccoli is rich in fiber, it can help get rid of toxins through the digestion tract. Other than this, broccoli is also full of antioxidants that help in overall detoxification of the body. Broccoli includes special phytonutrients that help in the body's detox process. This means that the body gets rid of unwanted contaminants. Broccoli also contains isothiocyanates, which help in the detox process at the genetic level. Anti-aging. Since broccoli is enriched with vitamin C, which has numerous antioxidant properties, it is great for anti-aging. This is because antioxidants help fight the free radicals responsible for aging. These free radicals often damage the skin. Eating broccoli regularly helps in reducing fine lines, wrinkles, skin issues like acne, and even pigmentation. Eye care. Broccoli contains beta-carotene, vitamin A, phosphorus, and other vitamins such as B complex, vitamin C, and E. All these rich nutrients are great for eye health as these help in protecting the eyes against muscular degeneration, cataract, and even repairs damage done by harmful radiations we go through by being constantly on our phones or being in front of a screen. And if you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs